Yup, it's not clickbait, it's absolutely true. Elon Musk has recently launched the updated version of the image generator Aurora, and along with that, they've also dropped their latest AI video generation model, which is absolutely stunning. And right now, you can generate an unlimited number of videos completely free. Now, the videos you're looking at right now were generated using Grok. These are all image-to-video clips, and as you can see, the results are just outstanding. This is literally on the same level as other video generators like Kling or SeeDance. And here's the crazy part. You can now generate videos with sound and proper lip sync, just like VO3. Here are some examples.
Yes, it is true. Grok can now generate videos with sound and proper lip sync, just like VO3.
I am the king in the north, and no one can stop me now.
Wow, you can see how amazingly Grok was able to create the lip sync, right? It's outstanding.
Amazing, right? And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Grok to model and create stunning videos. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. This is the normal Grok interface that we all know. Now, to generate videos, you need to click on the Imagine option, and it will take you to this interface. And this is where all the magic happens. With Grok, you can generate both text to video and image to video. Let's try text to video first, so I'll paste this prompt here. Next, if you click here, you'll see the option to choose the aspect ratio. Right now, it gives only 3 options for text to video, but for image to video, it automatically adapts to the input image. For now, I'll go with this one. After that, just hit generate and wait for it to create the result. It really doesn't take much time to generate the video, and here is the output. Wow, this is awesome, right? The visuals sync perfectly with the audio. Her bow, her notes, everything lines up. Her expression feels real. The warm lighting gives a concert vibe, and the hand movements look natural. For a text-to-video performance, Grok really nailed it. This is genuinely on the VO3 level, isn't it? Let's try one more. This time, I'll paste this prompt and hit generate, and here is the output. This one is also outstanding. The motion looks smooth and real, proper stance, clean punch, and the bag actually reacts, which makes it believable. The details fit perfectly too. The gloves, the shorts, the gym setup. The camera pan adds a nice cinematic touch. Overall, a simple idea executed extremely well. Now let's move on to image to video. Before you upload your image, you'll need to change one quick setting. Click on your profile icon, then go to settings, then behavior, and scroll down to turn off the automatic video generation option. Otherwise, as soon as you upload an image, it'll start generating a video on its own, which we don't want right now. Now let's upload our image. You can upload your image from here. I've uploaded this image. Next, let's give it a prompt. I'll write this prompt and simply hit generate. And here is the output. Wow, I'm really amazed with the quality. The slow zoom on the floating mountain gives the scene real cinematic depth, revealing more detail as it moves. The motion is smooth and natural, drifting clouds, flowing waterfalls, nothing feels exaggerated, all the original details stay intact, and the whole scene has a strong Avatar-style Pandora vibe, turning a still image into a living fantasy world with clean motion and atmosphere. Grok made it feel truly cinematic. Let's try one more. I'll upload this image, paste this prompt, and as you can see, I've added the dialogue I want him to say inside the prompt. Now I'll hit generate, and here's the result.
I am Loki, and I am the god of mischief.
This really feels on the level of VO3, doesn't it? The expressions sell it. He goes from a slight smirk to a more intense look, which feels like real character acting. The lip sync matches the dialogue perfectly, and the subtle face and eye movements make him feel alive. The original image quality stays intact too, with all the costume and lighting details preserved. It gives off true Loki energy, cinematic and menacing. Turning a still photo into a character with voice and personality, Grok absolutely nailed it, and the fact that this is completely free is just mind-blowing. Let's try one more. I'll upload this image, write a simple prompt, hit generate, and here is the output. This one is also outstanding. The details are on point. The dragon's textured scales, the cloak's fur trim, even the dragon's eye watching him. The setting adds that Game of Thrones vibe with the hills and overcast sky. Their interaction feels real too, especially his hand on the dragon and that serious expression Grok really delivered. Let's try one more. I'll upload this image, write this prompt, and hit generate. And here's the output. As expected, this also looks amazing. The head movements feel real, scanning left, right, and center like they're actually on patrol. The jungle stays stable with all the foliage and lighting intact, and their serious expressions never break. The gear and weapons stay solid too, keeping that cinematic look. This is exactly what image to video should be, turning a movie still into a living scene, clean, believable execution. Let's try one last video. I'll upload this image, write this prompt, and then hit generate, and here is the output. I literally have no words, you guys be the judge. Everything flows together, the horse moves naturally, the rider stays steady, and the wolf banner ripples like real fabric in the wind. The music adds that dark, cinematic, medieval energy and really sets the tone. The environment stays solid too, from the castle and storm clouds to the rocky ground. It honestly feels like an opening shot from a real HBO episode. Grok turned a powerful still into a living, atmospheric scene. Absolutely solid work. Now here's a movie trailer I created using Grok videos.
What unites people? Armies, flags, stories. We are in the great game now, and the game is terrifying.
Awesome, right? I've already made a detailed video explaining how you can also create videos like this. You can check that out if you want. Just follow the steps and use Grok Video to generate your scenes. So there you have it, folks. Grok Video is free and unlimited. Now, what are you waiting for? Go try it right now and create some amazing content. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.